Now, I've been stressing the importance of reviews for at least 5 years and probably more. So, if you've been following me for 5 or more years, you've heard me mention that reviews are going to become more and more important in the coming years. And that time has come where reviews matter more than ever. When customers need appliance repair, they check reviews before they pick up the phone. Reviews aren't just about reputation anymore. They are part of the buying decision. When consumers compare appliance repair companies, reviews often become the tiebreaker. A company with more recent reviews and a stronger reputation frequently receives that phone call. Review generation should be part of your system daily, not an occasional activity. Because reviews build trust. Positive reviews reassure customers that they're making the right decision. It improves the ranking of your website and your Google business profile. More and better reviews help you show up in Google Maps and Google Search, and it increases conversion. Businesses with strong reviews get more clicks, more calls, and more scheduled jobs. Reviews aren't just about reputation. They directly impact your visibility, your trust, and ultimately your bottom line.